Hello, everyone. It is a pleasure for me to help you understand how to use this teaching tool. The first thing that we have to do is type Gamma. Then we can see this is the site we're going to click. We are going to wait a little bit. Then we have to sign up in order to access to the website. It requires to create an account. We are going to continue with Google. We can choose one of the accounts that we use. I'm going to use this one. So we can start with the process of accessing the account. Click on continue. And we have to wait a little bit, a few seconds, in order to access the website. We can see here that it is going to ask some questions. We're going to use it for personal use or for work or for education. I can choose the role educator. I can click here on continue. And you can see that we have more options here. We're going to create presentations. Let's say that others, and automatically we have signed up on this platform. So we're going to click here, continue. And as you can see, we have this option, presentation, website, documents, and social. What we're going to be doing here is typing the instructions. For example, this is going to be the instructions that we have to add, the number of slides, let's say 8 slides, and the language, we can choose the language. Example, English. We type artificial intelligence, which is another very important topic. We're going to generate, and automatically you can see it has generated a list with the different topics and subtopics that we are going to be looking in the presentation. If everything is perfect, we're going to generate it. Generate. And this is something very important because this teaching tool can help us create presentations in a few seconds. But something very important that we have to take into account as educators, we have to revise all the information in order to make sure that everything that we are providing to our students is reliable and it is perfect. So there is not any inconvenience. We have to revise all the content. And as you can see, it is generating the presentations in a few seconds just by providing the different titles about the topic that we need. We're going to wait a little bit more and we're going to see the final result. Now the process has finished and we can see that we have the different slides in the presentation, Artificial Intelligence, the Future of Education. It has created 8 slides as it was required, and we can revise all the information in order to make sure that everything is perfect and we can use it. And something that we can do here, we can customize the presentation. For example, we have here on the right side, we can add more slides, different slides with different columns, with 2 or 3 columns. As you can see, we have other options. For example, when it comes to the design with 2 columns, 3 columns, and for example, like a diagram, can add like a diagram in the presentations, the title, the heading, and we can also add the table or different lists that we have to number each one of them. We can add images, we can look on the web, we can use artificial intelligence. We can add multimedia content from YouTube, the gallery, or Spotify. And we can also embed like websites, PDFs. We can also add graphs and diagrams. There are a lot of options. We can also embed, for example, like a link we can embed it in the presentation. So we can see that it offers different options. For example, I'm going to drop this one here. And you can see it is requesting the link. So I have to copy here the link and automatically it's going to stay there. So there are different options. We can also change the style, the color. You can see we can change the style. So there are different options that we can use. So this is the video about how to use this teaching tool. I hope you really learned how to use this platform. Thank you.